Okay, this is kind of a video for the beginning of overclocking 3930K on the Reeve board, RAMPAGE IV. It's got 4 DIMMs in it, in quad channel. They're not a matching dimmed kit, together, but they are the same ICs and everything, so they're running quite nicely on a profile, the second profile that's in the XMP, 4 of them, at 2400 C9. And I've just got the rest of this on pretty much auto, so boosts up to 3.8s, but just to start out, Cinebench 956 and XTU 1129. There's no tweaks, no nothing. I'm running it in Windows 10. I don't expect it to be super fast, but it's a comparison for what happens as I go up. Only using an AIO, so I'm not expecting to go very far. Those temps went up to 60, 62. So until I get it on a custom loop or chiller, it's not going to excel, but we'll take that journey. If you're interested in the Corsair 900D, it's might need to be transferred. Following BIOS settings, exactly how it is. I'm going to see what I'm doing here. Okay, so yeah, well done, Matt. As you can see, I've just changed it to a profile 2, which obviously is going to differ for whatever kit you've got going on in there. So kind of irrelevant, but haven't really touched anything else. I think I'll lock in a 1.3 volts LLC, reasonably tight, not top, and just see where I get up to and how the temps are there, and that and everything as well. This is at 4 gig with the voltage locked in at 1.3. Ultra high, second highest LLC, and overshoots the voltage according to the sensors anyway by just a little bit. Where is it? 1.336 when I'm set at 1.3. Scores 1022, 1188. Okay, so that's running fine at 4.2. Didn't exceed 75 degrees on a core. Should have eventually at that. Interesting, and 1245 there. So where is it? There you go. Okay, now 4.3. Still at the same voltages. Where is it? It's down over there. Max 75 degrees. Okay. No changing anything again, and 4.4's run fine. 1122, 1307. There you go. 77 degrees on that first clip. Time for 45. Okay, so at 4.5s now. 151, 1337. The 4.6 has passed. 170, 1364. Extend at 73. So Cinebench passed on 4.7, and then it crashed at XTU and is rebooting. This video is going to stop on this 4.6 at 1.3 volts. LLC ultra high, second highest, so overshooting to 1.32 and a bit. Which, from looking at some subs online, doesn't seem like bad voltage actually for 4.6s. XMP at 2400 with quad channel as well, and they're not matched. Not a 4 dim kit, binned kit. So yeah, I've been mucking around with 2666, and I'll continue to have a little bit of a play with that. But that serves the purpose of the video that I was making. We'll go further with it when I get home. So before ending this video, I thought probably it's only fair to show a BIOS settings for anybody who wants to perhaps attempt the same sort of thing. for a medium sort of overclock. So profile number 2 for these two kits of Samsung HYKO 2400 C9 RAM. Your own RAM will be your own relevance, of course. 46 with single cores. I've left the CPU strap on auto. Set the frequency at 2400. With XMP on, so which has set the timings at that for me, which I have not touched. And what did I do down here? Let me just check. I didn't change any of the training options or anything on this either. DigiPower, I've got ultra high LLC, CPU current 140%, which I don't really think I need. I'm going to turn these off right now and see if it actually needs them. VSA current capability at 130%. Didn't touch the fixed frequency for VCSA. AB voltage and CD voltage at 140% for the memory down there. Okay. Yeah, no, hadn't touched that stuff. Okay, so V-core manual voltage at 1315. You saw the LLC before at ultra high. I think I can have that at 1.3. I should just switch that back. The dim voltage you can't, it's in yellow, 1.650. Set on both of those. That's it, guys. I didn't change anything else really. I changed a couple of boot settings because I don't want to see the logo on boot and stuff like that, but there we go. But yeah, so that's it for 4.6s, 2400 mem. Hope you can duplicate that. Love to know if you need more or less voltage. Catch ya!